In this video, I'm going to be covering how to download a post-processor from the BobCAD support page. Now, the BobCAD support page is where you're going to go to actually download any post-processors. It's just right up here under Downloads. When we click on Downloads after we log in, we have post-processors as well as software updates. Software updates is where you're going to find the newest build of whatever version you're on. So if you want to go download the newest update and then install it, that's the place to go. But I'm interested in the post-processor, so I'm going to say post-processor. Now, when the download post-processor page pulls up, the first thing you'll see is the post-processor request form, which we'll look at in the next video. And then right here is the download post-processor. So we go ahead and click download post-processor. The first thing we do is enter in our customer ID, which I have copied, so I'm just going to paste it there. And then right down here, we have our version. So we pick either version 31 through 33 or V6 through V8. So I'm going to say V31 through 33. And then right here for the machine type, we choose whether it's a laser, a lathe, a mill or router, a plasma, a water jet, or a wire EDM. So I'm going to go ahead and choose mill router. And then right here, we have our controller make. So this is where we just go pick what type of controller we're using. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this Haas one here. And then we could choose the posts that are available. So we have a Haas mill and a Haas mini mill. We could also go to different categories. Like if you go into Fanuc down here, you'll see we have a lot more posts for a Fanuc because there's different situations for different types of machines. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Haas post. So I'm just going to scroll down, find the Haas, and then pick the Haas mill. And then all I have to do is say download now. Now it's going to go ahead and pop up with this opening Haas exe. Now these are exe files because when we install them, we install a machine and a post processor to your system. So I'm going to go ahead and say save the file, and that's going to run the download for me. Now I'm using Mozilla Firefox. We do recommend using either Firefox or Chrome, really anything but the Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, whatever they're calling it nowadays. These ones seem to work a little bit better, more consistent, but you could try using the Microsoft Edge. Now for me, my downloads pop up right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click my Haas mill exe, and this is going to launch a little warning. Now the security warning is just saying that we haven't published this. This isn't something that's verified through Windows, but there's nothing wrong with this. So I'm going to go ahead and just say run. And then after I hit run, it's going to pull up with this Haas mill setup. So I say I agree, and then I tell it what version of BobCAD I'd like to put this in. And then I just say install. And it installs, completes, and then we hit close. So now if I go over to BobCAD, I can go to my CAM tree, right click on CAM defaults, and I'm just going to go down to current settings right here. Now by default, we don't have a Haas mill in here. So now I have a Haas mill as well as in the posting here, my Haas mill post is selected. It automatically sets the exe file that you install as your default machine. So now I have this machine, I have this post processor. So anytime I start a new job inside of BobCAD, it's going to try and pick that Haas mill first. It's also going to pick the post processor along with it. So now I have my post processor. You can download as many as you need. Now, if you need to make changes to the post, we're going to cover that in the next video. So that concludes the video on downloading and installing a post processor into BobCAD-CAM.